Did you know that the space economy is projected to reach over $1 trillion by 2040? This astonishing growth invites us to consider the feasibility of manufacturing beyond our planet. Space-based manufacturing presents exciting possibilities for industry and economics, transforming how we produce goods and utilize resources. However, significant challenges remain, including high costs, technical limitations, and the current state of technology that must be addressed to make this a reality. The potential to manufacture various materials and products in space offers distinct advantages, with ongoing experiments pushing the boundaries of what can be achieved. A pivotal case study highlights the successful production of metal alloys in microgravity, showcasing the transformative potential of space-based manufacturing. In summary, while space-based manufacturing presents lucrative opportunities, it also poses significant challenges that continue to spark debate. We encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below and check out our other videos exploring amazing concepts in space.